Let's answer this one muna. Wait lang,
Should I want free?
Ano yung remote?
Yes, po. Here. Yes. Okay, sige na. Okay, so let's cover this here. You want to bring that down? Yan yung para dito. Ay, para katulog ka pala. Okay, so let's start our discussion. So in here, may kabukas ako sa'yo kuya. So you will do a worksheet ha about this one kasi madali ka this one. So in here, let's start our discussion. So in here, so do this one. So it's all about patterns and inductive reasoning. So when we say patterns, ano yung pumapasok sa mind mo when you hear the word patterns? Repeated siya na patterns. Okay, so it might be letters, numbers, or shapes. Okay? Ano ba mga other patterns kuya? Diba that you can think of? Patterns.
Numbers.
Yun lang. Yun, numbers lang?
Letters.
Oh, numbers. Very good. So in here kuya, so first muna, let's start with inductive reasoning. When we say inductive reasoning, ang ibig sabihin daw dyan, based on patterns that you observe. So based, ang pinaka dyan, is titingnan mo isang bagay, after mong pagtingin, you make a conclusion or reasoning. Kung ano yung next na mangyari. So basically, parang prediction. Okay? So let's start with problem number 1. Finding and using a pattern. So look for pattern, what are the next two terms in each sequence. So first in here, 3 9 2 71, ipakita na dito na 8 times na ng 3. Okay, what's the next two values? Ay, dito pa kita na rin. So it's 243 at saka 79. So in here na naman kuya, based on here for letter B, the first circle kuya is triangle. The next is square. The next is pentagon. Ibig sabihin kuya, if the pattern goes on, ang nangyayari is nadagdagan na isa na side. Okay? So from pentagon, hexagon, nagiging heptagon. Ang ika-8 is octagon. Okay? So in here, try to answer this one. What are the next two terms in each sequence? Very good. So it means it decreases by time. In here na naman, letter D. What's the term? Can you go please?
Next term.
Next two terms.
Ito. Pero ano siya? Ito, summary lang ito, sir. Kasi hindi ko na kaya
Sige, go.
Ito na, sir. Ang next naman dyan, okay, punta tayo muna sa labas. Tapos, box sa labas.
Okay, so bali, ang mangyayari, para sa ganito kuya. Tama pala. Sige, so in here naman, you may want to find the 10 for the 130 in a sequence. So in this case, rather than find every previous term, you can look for a pattern and make a conjecture. Yung conjecture kaya, ibig sabihin, conclusion, parang mag-aaral mo na, ito talaga yung mangyayari. So this one will be the final destination of that one, using inductive reasoning. So for problem number 2, using inductive reasoning pa rin siya. So in here, we have a specific na circle. So di ba, about the number of regions is 20 diameters formed. Pag isabi siya na i-cut natin sa diameter, ibig sabihin yung whole cake talaga ha. Okay. So in here, ang first na cut, ilan yung regions na nakuha mo? That's 2. Sa second na cut, 6 na 4. Okay. So ibig sabihin kuya, if you're looking for the 20 na diameters, automatic multiply by 2 lang siya. Okay. So in here kuya, so try to answer this one. So what conjecture can you make about the 21st term in Vector? In here, WBR. Very good. That's easy as that. So in here, it is important to gather enough data before you make a conjecture. So for example, you don't have enough information about that sequence. So that's 1A. So make a reasonable conjecture. So the next term could be, so pwede sa kuya, 3 times 3 equals 9. So bakit siya 9? Kasi what happened to 1? Bakit naging 3? So 1 times 3. Okay, so next 3 times 9. Ang isa na naman na conjecture na pwede natin mag-isip is nag-plus na ng 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 became 3. There you go. 3 plus 2 became 5. So try to do this one, okay? Okay, if gaya lang ng power mo. Okay, that's 2. Tapos, it became 30.
Ano yung nilagay ko naman sir?
Dalawa din. In here, ano yung first conjecture? I-provide mo lang yung next na third. Isa lang. Dapat dalawa yung kita. Okay? So, it became 300. So, 10 times 3. 300 natin masyado. 10 times 3, it became 30. In here, tama itong 50 mo. Pero kasi 300 natin masyado.
Hindi naman, agyan mo lang. Dito lagay.
In here kuya, base in here, bakit naging 30 siya? Times lang ng 30. Oh, so 30 times 3, dapat 90. Okay, 90. Okay, that's in here. Try out that one then, you guess that one? 35, that's in 1. Or our two assumptions.
You have 7. Oh, mag-add ka ng 0. Diba, may point yan. Add ng point ito.
Isa lang dito mo sir, dalawa.
Dalawa din.
Then,
Pero yung dyan, hindi siya multiplication kuya.
ng 0.
Division at saka addition. Pwede siya multiplication pa ng fraction yung isa.
No, it was a 9. 9 equals 7. 7 times 9 is, ano ngayon?
Yan yung dalawa, sagot? Kaya yan, dalawa? Okay, so for our first answer, why it became 1? Because first is, nag-divide tayo ng 5. Negative 5 ha? So negative 5 divided by negative 5, 1. So ang in here, so that's,
Ay sir, mali pala. Sir, maging 150 yan.
in here,
Kung i-divide mo agad.
in here, negative 5 divided by negative 5, it became 1. So ang next in here na naman kuya, 1. So negative, negative ha, 1 tip. Okay, negative 5 divided by negative 5, it became 1. 1 divided by negative 5, it became 1 negative 5. Okay, yung isa na naman kuya, si negative 5, kaya naging 1 siya kuya, is ang igawa natin, plus ng 6. Negative 5 plus 6, 1. So 1 plus 6, that's 7. Okay, dalawa ha. Okay, so that's it. So for our example, next na naman in here, so collecting information to make a conjecture. So in here, ang gagawin natin kuya is magsasum tayo ng mga even numbers. So ano yung even numbers? Example?
2, 4, 6, 8, and
2, 4, 6, 8, at saka 0 yung mga end. Okay, so try to find the sum of 15th term of even numbers. Okay. Ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung 15th term ng even numbers. So that should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's 5.
Hindi siya pwede equate sa'yo, no?
Hindi.
Mag-plus talaga.
2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. O, dapat i-plus natin ito lahat. Di ba marami masyado? So we have a formula for that one. Yeah. Kapag even numbers ganun, ibinahanap natin for the sum, that's term multiplied by term last one.
Guess ko lang sa'yo.
What's your guess, David?
I-try ko lang yung 86 ang answer. I-try ko lang sa
Sige, 86, try natin ha. Sige, 15 times 16. 15, 16. So 6 times 5, 0, carry 3. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 9. 5, 1, 0, 14, carry 1, 140.
So, times mo ba 16?
Opo, kaya ang formula natin, kung ano yung given na term, kuya, ilagay mo siya. I-times mo siya sa term, lagay ko ng plus 1. So 15 times 16. Sige ha, isa man yung example. Sige, Dabe. Kaya na this one. Okay, in here, try to do this one. 71st. 71st term.
Next number, right? Okay.
Find the sum of the 71st term of even numbers.
Ngayon, look at the right number. Tapos, ano mangyari? Less than 5 or bigger than 5?
Very good. Ano siya kaya? So, wala nang question sa even? Okay, so let's proceed with add na naman. Example ng add numbers.
Mag-pieces lang yan.
Odd.
Bakit dadalaw lang to?
Find the sum
Still the same lang yan, just
of
mag-pieces.
odd numbers.
How many odd numbers yan?
Pag itong ano naman, sa right place is,
If we are looking
6. Mag-add ba dito?
for
Same lang. No.
23rd term.
Bigger than or less than 5? Pag bigger than
Very
5,
good.
you have to add 1 in here. Plus
Ano naman
1. So, yun yung 5.
6, 4, 9, 5, 9. Okay, so very good. So review sa formula. Kapag given, ano rin? Term times term plus 1. Tapos yung isa is, ano yung isang given? That is term square. Kapag odd. Kapag sinabi nila sa? Kahapon ba nakabahan kami? Yes, your mom contacted me. Tingnan, sir, nasa na sir, dapat yung isang contact. Tapos if ever lang ako for the first time in the history ni mom. Dalawa ka? Wala kayo charger. Dapat may basket charger para sa ko. Oo. Okay, so that's it ha. Ikaw yun, yes. Okay, so in here, for problem number 4, that's making a prediction. So in here, can you predict kuya na that you will have a lot of children someday? Kaya mo predict? Hindi. So, mag-nag-hit lang dapat. Okay, so in here kuya, sa akin, based sa akin prediction ni teacher, gusto ko ng hit. Gusto ko ng hit na anak kuya. Okay, so in here, actually, di ginausap ko yung secret. So sabi ko, pili ka, isa na anak, isa lang na panganak, nasa hit agad, or tuloy. Sabi niya, wala pa dyan mapili, pero mas mahirap yung option number 1. Kaya mo kuya, octuplets, isang anak kuya, parang dog. Samsay, joke lang. Okay, so in here, based sa sales kuya, sales of backpacks at nationwide. In here na yung sales. So yung first sale, that's 11,000. For the second month, which is in December, it became 10,500. So based on these inductive reasoning, ano nangyayari every month? Nababawasan ng 500 backpacks ha, each month. So by inductive reasoning, we can estimate that the company will sell approximately 8,000 backpacks in May. Okay ha, in here in May. Kasi yung last year record in April, that's 8,500. Okay, so now, it's 8,000. So in here kuya, okay, try to answer this one. What conjecture can you make about the backpacks sales in June?
Okay, let's try this one.
Ilan na lang kaya yung sales nila by June, kuya? And your current datas?
So, ito mo yun.
How many
In
months?
here, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Sa June yung ginapahanap.
Hanggang November ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ilan?
Okay, 7. That's my
1,
7. June. 8.
Sa June din hinahanap.
8. So 8. 8 months na yun. 8 months.
Ah, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. 4,000.
Okay?
7,000. Say, check natin, Ben. So in here, 8,500 sa April. So May, it's 8,000. So for the June, 7,500. Oh, let's go to record, 8,500. Next, for May, 8,000. For June, it's 7,500. Okay?
Wala kami naman pala ano.
Il mag-June? Ika, ano kaya? Hindi ko isali siya, ano? I mean lang.
Kasali sir.
Kasali ko siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. O, 8 daw.
8 times. Ay, 500 din sir.
Okay, 500 lang.
400.
4,000. Kami 4,000. Minus na lang guys. Then, ako din kanina, sabi nila 7. Tapos sabi ko, huwag tayo din mag-base sa calculation. Dito tayo magtingin sa graph na lang. Okay, so 8,500. 8,000 pagka May, pagka June, automatic, basta lang 500. 7,000. Okay, so reasoning pala. Letter B. Is it reasonable to use this graph to make a conjecture about sales in August? Is it possible ba or applicable pa ba itong graph na ito? So we're finished with June naman, nalaman natin sa 7,500. Pwede ko siyang gamitin pa rin if you're going to look for the August.
Okay, hindi ka na makabase ng scientific dito.
Yun. Okay, so in here, so from June ko yan, 7,500, July 7,000, August 6,500 na lang. So we can still use this one. Example na lang siguro kapag isabi siyang mga next year talaga yung matagal masyado. Okay? So in here, so isabi dito, not all conjunctures turn to be true. So hindi lahat ng mga assumptions natin or conclusions tama, right? So for example, isabi mo na gusto ko talagang maging 80 kilos ako by the end of the month or magiging masculine ako, meron akong abs. Kapag naglagay ka ng conclusion na ganyan yung mangyayari, tapos hindi ka nag-work out or hindi mo gi-achieve, automatic, hindi magiging true yung assumptions mo, right? Okay, so you should test your conjecture multiple times. So hindi lang ikaw one times, pero a lot of times. You can prove the conjectures is false by findings one counter example. So in here, since meron tayong conjecture, meron tayong tinatawag na counter example. So, ang counter example ko yan, it is a counter check para malaman if tama yung conjecture, ha? Okay.
Ang example na?
No.
Sige, mag-ano
Sige,
ka?
sige. Is an example that shows the conjecture is incorrect. Sige daw.
Yung hindi sa question, sir.
Hindi sa question.
Yan natapos kasi.
Ay, wait lang. In here, introduction niya siya. So in here, try mo natin this one discuss. Okay, ito mo yung counter example. Okay?
Okay.
Sige. So in here, what is a counter example for each conjecture? So letter A lang. If the name of the month starts with the letter J, it is a summer month. Do you believe that one? Oh, how about January? Summer ba yan? January, February, March, April, May, June. Kapag June, summer, June. Si July, summer din. So July, August, September, October. Wala na. Cold season. Okay, so counter example. January starts with J and it is a winter month. Pero in here, what do you think is the basis of this one? In the Philippines, hindi. Other countries. Okay, letter B. You can correct any three positions of form A triangle. Tama ba? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin ito, you can connect any 3 points to form a triangle. So, ibig sabihin, counter example. If the 3 points lie on a line, you cannot form a triangle. So, these 3 points support the conjecture. In here naman, but these 3 points are a counter example to conjecture. Okay, paano natin nasabi ko yan na this one is a counter example of this one?
So, example po, because sinasabi, ay, it shows the way to make his, parang clear na.
Very good. So, ibig sabihin ko yan, sabi na dito, like on a line, you cannot form a triangle. Tama yung ibig sabihin ko yan. So, in here to yan, since this one, si first point, second point, third point, is nag-line lang sila ba? Hindi single line. Ibig sabihin ko yan, we cannot form a triangle. Except na lang, i-fold natin yung line. So for example, this one. If you fold this one, fold this one, wala pa rin isa pa na line pa. So we cannot pa rin. Okay? Bawat line. So letter C. When you multiply a number by 2, the product is greater than the original number. Tama? Obviously, tama. So in here, the conjecture is true for positive numbers, but it is false for negative numbers. So for example, 95 times 2, naging negative 10. Ibig sabihin, mas naging lesser pa siya. Okay yan. So in here, try natin this one. What is a counter example for its conjecture? If a flower is red, it is a rose.
Tulips are red.
So this one, the conjecture is mali. So in here, one and only one plane exists through any 3 points.
It would be, parang, yung connected by ito.
Connected, yung intersecting na things. So in here, through ito na, wait, where have you been?
Presentation is tomorrow, and my president started.
Sige, rest ka muna for a while.
Parang, ito, ay, hindi lang ka session.
Okay, hindi na. Pero I will, papapiwan na kita na later.
Pwede na po pointers.
Pointers mo. Nagano ako patterns and inductive reasoning.
Pwede na magano, lagay mo ng bullet points tapos.
Magana ako bullet points. Internet ko yung hatap sa mga question. So in here, letter C. When you multiply a number by 3, the product is divisible by 6. You believe that one?
3 times 3 is 9. Kaya nakita ko.
Tama. Tapos, tama, hindi siya. Here we go. So since already finished na kuya, in here, i-break up yung problem worksheet ha. Para medyo advance ka. Okay lang. Sige. For a while.
Nag-record ka pa din, sir.
Oo, hindi ko pala.